Calma Studios, Ghana Education Service, at the later abre teachers or more apply for your promotion under 2025 on Abusuya. Almost exams no date no yame yadoma ebebaso sabria this month here na aka na ketu ebi na ba date ne da ben nseme no mo kan letter mu jagwadem fan nseme na nso mo on this platform. If today is your first time coming across a video, make sure to subscribe to this platform. No follow and share this video to your friends and your colleagues who also applied for this promotion. Na Abusuya na yebrofo no mesem odwetwesi am fan chame sense titia na mekoye yebrofo sem e form. I say this letter is to all regional directors of education. Promotion examination for teachers scheduled for 29th December 2025 and 30th December 2025. In accordance with the annual promotion cycle for teachers, Ghana Education Service wishes to inform you that written promotion the written promotion examination for eligible teachers will be conducted on Monday 29th December 2025 and Tuesday 30th December 2025. The details for examination are as follows. And I'm the date 29th December, that is on Monday, assistant director 2, AD2, and I'm the principal superintendent, that is the PS, and I'm on the 29th December 2025. And then the time is 9 a.m. in the morning to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Until Monday, that is on the 29th December, more apply for AD2 and a PS and I'm bit mature on the 29th December. We will be apply for ABA assistant director 1 and as a deputy director won't mean on the 29th December there be. Now 30th December is for assistant director 1, that is the AD1, and then the deputy director, that is the DD, and also time same 9 a.m. in the morning to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Now all candidates are required to report at the designated centers not later than 8:30 a.m. each day with their original Ghana card in any other required materials. The examination venue, list of eligible candidates and invigilation rosters will be communicated later. Regional directors are kindly requested to ensure that this information reaches all schools and teachers under the jurisdiction promptly. Ghana National Association of Teachers, that is the NAT, NAGRAT, CCT are requested to disseminate this information to their members and to assist in encouraging eligible teachers to participate. We appreciate your cooperation in making this process smooth and successful. Thank you. And I'm going to let we Ghana Education Service say more intimate and dismissing my teachers are more apply for this promotion. Monday, that is on the 29th December, is for assistant director 2 and principal superintendent, that is the PS. So AD2 and PS, that is on the 29th December, and I'm going to match these exams, and it starts 9 a.m. to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. AD1 and deputy director, and also 30th December, 9 a.m. to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Share this video to your friends. So that be almost with me who did these exams. Now GES already promote you to the ranks that they want. I can most use any updates about your education, politics, entertainment, and whatever is going on in the social media space. We got you covered. Subscribe to our platform and share this video to your friends and to your colleagues. Now, if you come back and watch our videos and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, here is your favorite headquarters that you find your news and any update from us. Thank you for joining us today. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar and finally out.